Hey everyone! Welcome to this new video. Today, I'm going to show you the basics of digital coloring. If you're just starting out or want to improve your results, stick around. I'll share essential tips to bring your art to life. Do you want to improve your drawing skills and create artworks like these artists? Don't worry, that's my goal too. Today, we're talking about the basics of coloring. First, you need to make a sketch. Then create another layer that you'll place underneath the one where you made your sketch. You select a color that will be the base color of your drawing. Then, define the position of the lighting relative to your drawing, as you can see in this image. This will help you identify the shadow areas. After that, you can choose the colors for the shadow zones. Generally, shadow colors are slightly darker than the base colors you selected, as you can see here. There are platforms and applications that can help you select shadow areas using 3D features. For example, we have Posite, a very useful app if you want to improve your drawings in perspective as well as their dynamic poses by using it as a reference. As a beginner, it's often difficult to create a drawing from scratch, so you have the option to use references from Pinterest or get inspired by your favorite artist instead. A quick tip for faster coloring: first, create a second layer and place it underneath your sketch layer. Then, create a third layer and position it above the second layer, which you've already filled with the base color. After that, activate the clipping feature on the third layer. This way, when you start filling in the shadow areas, you won't have to worry about coloring outside the base layer. For shadows, pick a darker tone and use a multiply layer. For highlights, add a screen or overlay layer. Always keep in mind where the light is coming from. Sticking to one main light source makes your colors more realistic and dynamic. Add subtle textures where needed. Enhance highlights on the eyes, lips, and hair. And don't forget to adjust your contrast and saturation at the very end for that extra pop. And that's it. Now you know the basics of digital coloring. If you want more digital art tips, make sure to subscribe, give this video a like, and drop a comment telling me what you'd like to learn next.